Alright, y'all. We at Bar Louie. Menu pretty reasonable. They got a happy hour menu also. So today we in here. And we're gonna enjoy ourselves. And after the food come out, y'all, we'll let y'all see. Alright, welcome to Bar Louie. Alright, y'all. This is my order from Bar Louie. I got the Nashville hot sliders with the grilled onions on there. The grilled onions don't come on there, I put them on there. Of course, I got my drink, the lemon water. So once again, sliders with the truffle fries. Got the order of truffle fries. We got an order of fried pickles again. She love the fried pickles here. That's a nice order of chicken tenders, right? With the buffalo sauce. And her drink. What's the name of this drink?
It's called the Wake Up Call.
The Wake Up Call drink. So, pretty good menu.
This is the happy hour menu.
Happy hour menu at Bar Louie.
3 to 6.
Let y'all see me with these truffle fries, so I don't know what this is right here. Pretty good order. Alright, y'all. I'll be right back. Let y'all see the review. Alright. It's the food review. We'll see what these Nashville hot chicken sliders about. I added the grilled onions, so let's see. That's how they look. Nice and small.
We can drink while the rain and bus in there. Anyway. Our calamari bank still on the goddamn. I want to get more of those.
It's good. The truffle fries.
We'll take another round.
The truffle fries, good.
They're probably.
And them fries, good. You like your stuff, Sean? Let's show your stuff. This is good. Nashville hot chicken sliders. You gotta get these if you come to Bar Louie.
My favorite thing so far. It comes from my wife and it comes from my husband. I be laughing at it. He said they were coming for illegal people. Nah, they're coming for everybody. You were born in the
We'll give you the right amount of fries. We'll give you 3. 3 sliders. So, with the grilled onions, I don't know, y'all. I think the grilled onions make it taste better.
Right.
Of course, the fried pickles.
You gotta be black.
Those fried pickles good.
Now mine.
Let me taste it with the truffle. Truffle sauce. That was good with that. Fried pickles.
That's all. Ready to go back and lay down.
Last time I came here,
Can't go wrong with this, y'all. Bar Louie.
but I'm not getting steak. Yeah.
This Bar Louie is located in Murfreesboro. Of course, it's it's an avenue. It's located in the Avenue Shopping Center. It's Truffle War, y'all. Whatever this is. On top of these fries, outstanding. With the pickles. Can't beat that. And I usually don't eat fried pickles like that. So. Truffle with the fried pickles or the truffle with the fries. Amazing. In the beginning, I showed y'all the inside of Bar Louie. It's always comfortable here, good vibe. I like it here. He's sitting at the bar. We didn't used to come to Bar Louie like that for lunch. I like it here for lunch. Not a big ranch guy. Let me taste it though.
I'm sure they can make it a certain way. Here?
I don't like it with ranch. The sliders are amazing. With the grilled onions.
The fries are good, so what's the fries are good? And I think the fries are
quick review. I'm enjoying this. I like it. Bar Louie.
Oh, have you already poured stuff in this? Don't worry about it. You put all my right side?
She already full.
They don't want to eat here, so we're debating it.
Look, she done, y'all.
Cancel up.
Still got food,
Tap
man.
out when we're done.
It's alright. These grilled onions on the Nashville hot chicken though. Can't beat that. Would I come back to Bar Louie? Yeah, I would. If you see this video, thank you. I want you to like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, I'm ready for that check.
Y'all saw the food. I gave y'all a quick review. It's amazing.
It's good.
Slider, pickles, truffle fries. It's probably the best fries, the best fried pickles that I done ever had. Remember, y'all, Bar Louie.
What is $60? How much one bed?
Is what drink probably 20. Drinks probably 20. We're gonna show y'all the bill. Food at Bar Louie, good. All right, y'all. That's my food review of Bar Louie.
I knew it.
Let's get another game.
She already gave me that. She already had me done.
Still get another game. I'll get the black beans.
No, I'm saying it's too late because she tapped it out already. Once you total it out, you can't go back and add more stuff to the bill.
Well, let me see the bill now. see that. She had 2 drinks with our 3 orders: tenders, fried pickles, Nashville sliders with the truffle fries. Came up to a total of $52. It's not bad. Would I come back? Yeah, I would. Can I get a piece of one of them things? These are chicken tenders she ordered. A little bit of truffle butter on there. Alright, y'all. Bar Louie food review. See y'all on another one.